to say this is my first ever YouTube channel. I'm so excited, as you can see from my face. So today I'm going to show you how to get KEPOK hair like this. Long lashes, wavy and curly. So I hope you guys are excited. So here I am. I'm not trying to say that my video is good. I'm just want to show you that today straight hair is not. So wait, before that, I just want you guys to subscribe to me. Thanks. Hi guys, me again. So now I'm going to show you on what kind of stuff that you need. First one is of course the hair straightener I've been using since I cannot remember, but it's still good. So the second one is serum. So you're going to apply this before you do it. So I'm using the L'Oreal Super Dry because my hair is dry AF and the smell is not great, but I'm still loving it. Third is my comb. It's old, but it's gold, guys. It does the work. So here I am laughing, which I have no idea what for and what is so funny. So the fourth one is I'm using the hairspray. So this is a Lucy doll. It doesn't really matter what kind of is or what brand. You can just use it as long as it can hold your curls. It's fine. So we're going to start our tutorial. So first thing is you need to section your hair into two sections. Separate it. So you're going to get a smaller section of your hair. I'm sorry guys, this girl is kind of cheap with the hair clip. So you got that. So what you do is, for me initially, I will just warm it up, like straight your hair. Yes, just like that. Yep. No. So what you do here is you curl it. So you twist. It doesn't really matter if you really want it to be like inward or outward. I prefer it to be inward because I think it's more sweeter looking. It depends on you though. Yeah. So you're going to wait for 5 seconds just before you release it. See, I'm so excited. So the process will be just the same thing. So this is going to be just a repeat. And I'm going to take similar amount of hair just to curl it. So let's talk about my room. So this is actually my rental room, which I rent because I'm working away from my family. So at the back of me is all my picture of my family, and I really miss them during this time. So I really like the lighting too. So let's get back to video. So please be mindful of your fingers. You don't want to touch the hot plate. It will burn and it's painful. So there you go, the second one. So I think this is going to be a fast forward. I think I'm going to just make it fast. A little bit. Yeah. So this is my third one. So it's going to be much more faster than yeah. So curl, and done. So this is the half of the section. It's done. So we're going to move forward to the second section. Same procedure, same step, same process. Take a small portion of the hair and repeat. Divide and conquer. So since this video is going to be the same for this part, so I'm going to make it much more faster. So I accidentally really fast forwarded for the part that I didn't want to, but it's okay. So what I do here is I will finish everything up. So before I actually spray my hair, I will let it loose for a while, and I will wait for 5 minutes to actually spray it. So, and take your comb and comb it. Like, oh my god, it's so fast. So what you do now is you need to separate the hair, so make it like single, like not single people, like oh my god, it's so fast. Oh, so now here's the result. Like pose, pose, pose. So now it's more entirely will be just posing, just to show you how the result is. And I'm really happy with the result. So ooh, toss the hair, girl. So just to give you a warning that the next clip will be more to just posing like a slow-mo, you know, just to enjoy the moment. And this is what we call KEPOK-KEPOK hair, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please subscribe to me, and thank you for watching, mama.